are small entrepreneurs that achieve to transform the Cruz Nariño in a municipality exemplar free of inorganic residues plastic. Taking into account the environmental impact generated with the increases in synthesis products, have caused the explosive growth in the amount of chemical products that has been implemented, which has been carried off the production and use. These have been designed since times with being destroyed because of its heat resistance to corrosion, water of bacterial decomposition of the terms of all these terms to plastic in ways difficult to degrade and consequently in serious environmental problems.
According to know for the newspaper The Spectator in Colombia, about 910 tons per year of the main plastic resin synthetic polymers are processed product of non-green sources such as gas and oil. Therefore, in Colombian, it has been necessary to take preventive measures to reduce the use of plastic bags by paying tax hours according to figures from the Directorate of Facts and National Customs of Colombia. As of January 12 of this year, the collection of the National Excise Tax on Plastic Bags (INCBP) amounted to 6,581,000. For the elaboration of balls and tips of plastic are used and real material except for PET was purchased. The intervention of their complementary matching is necessary. The disposal of PET was shared and sold to companies that perform their final disposal in the production of new products such as house for irrigation.
For this reason, in the municipality of La Cruz Nariño, the ECOMAYO micro-enterprise was born, located 103 kilometers from the city of San Juan de Pasto by 3 entrepreneurs from the municipality have proposed their business idea in order to improve environmental conditions through the use of PET waste and other plastic waste. For this great concern and desire to get ahead through the internet, so ways to illustrate and learn about the generation of new products with plastic waste. Therefore, entrepreneurs from the municipality have proposed their business idea in order to improve environmental conditions. Therefore, not having the necessary resource for the acquisition of the ideal machinery for crushing and casting of plastic, opt to manufacture themselves the machinery that would allow them to meet their objectives. In order to take advantage of this waste for the production of pulp and the sale of shredded waste to different companies for their use.
For the above, the means of prototype of industrial machine made with mechanical materials no longer used. They started the information of ECOMAYO, microenterprise, obtain economic income through the use of plastic waste generated in the municipality of therefore generating employment for the purge of plastic from the community, thus improving the economic condition of the area.
Plastic crusher reduce the size of plastic particles by means of grinding, which is carried out by unitary operation that implies only a physical transformation of matter without altering its nature, which is of great importance in various industrial processes. The importance of the implementation of the Cruz that reduces the size of the plastic is to optimize the process of melting the material in the extruder.
Binder. The polymer is taken in fields of layers and introduced into the centrifuge. In this stage, the plastic turns into grams of grease paste with the help of heat and water. It converts the plastic back into small plastic balls. In addition, it consists of vertical tanks mills used to grind and agglutinate into small agglomeration. Finality recovered in fields from recycling lines of this type of material.
Extruder. It consists of passing under the action of pressure orifice with a more or less complex shape row that the material acquires a cross-section equal to that of the whole. The process is not so simple since doing the same the polymer melts inside a cylinder and later cooled in a colander. This process of extrusion has by objectives process that is normally continuous used for the production of profile tubes, plastic films, plastic sheets. After passing through the agglutination and structure, the mold is cooled in a container of water. It should be noted that this water is disinfected, therefore it has been maintained in.
Molded. In the molding, the molded material flow through nozzles that communicate with one or several molds in which the material cools and acquires the final shape. The method is continuous. Walls and extrusion screw is used to melt and mix the feed, which is then fed into a second cylinder. When you have the required amount of material, the injection plunger pushes the material forward to enter the mold. The mold temperatures are found considerably below the melt to ensure rapid cooling of the